In today's video, we will see 25 Excel shortcuts. Our first shortcut is autofill. Over here I have got quantity and rate and I want total sales. So I'll click on the first cell and will type plus or equal to quantity into rate. Enter. So I got total sales of first item. Now I'll select from top to bottom and will press Ctrl D and all the figures got filled automatically. Let's see another shortcut. Auto sum. Over here I want total sales of individual items as well as total sales of all the items. So I'll put my formula over here, plus or equal to quantity into rate. Enter. Now I'll select from top to bottom and will press Ctrl D. So I got total sales of individual items. Now I want total of all the items over here. In case you are using Windows, the shortcut will be Alt equal to. And in case you are using MacBook, the shortcut will be Command plus Shift plus T. I'll click over here and will press Alt equal to. And I got total sales of all the items. Let's see another shortcut. Create filters. I want to create filter of only items. So I'll select from heading till end and will press Shift Ctrl L. And our filters got created. In case I want to create filter of two items, I'll select both the items and will press Shift Ctrl L. So my present filter got vanished. Again I'll press Shift Ctrl L. And in both the places filters got created. And in case I want to create filter for my whole data, I'll click anywhere inside my data and will press Ctrl A. Now I'll press Shift Ctrl L. Current filters vanished, so I'll press Shift Ctrl L once again. And filters got created in all the heads. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got a data and I want to convert my data in a very beautiful table. I'll click anywhere inside the data and will press Ctrl A. Now I'll press Ctrl T. A small box will pop up, create table. Here I have got the option of my table has headers. I'll do OK. And a very beautiful table got created. On the top I have got table styles. I'll click on the drop down and I can select any table of my choice. In the tables I have got filter buttons on the heads. In case I want to remove the filter buttons, I'll go in table tab and over here in the center I get the option of filter buttons. I'll untick this and filter buttons will be removed. Let's see another shortcut. Check spellings. Over here I have got a data and in my data there are many spelling mistakes like spelling of east is wrong, west is wrong and many more spelling mistakes are there. So I'll click anywhere inside my data, will press Ctrl A. The whole data will be selected. Now I'll press F7 or function F7. In case you are using laptop, you will have to press function F7 and in case you are using desktop, you will have to press F7. So I'm using laptop, I'll press function F7. A small window will pop up and from here we can rectify our errors. East, change, west, I'll rectify the error over here also. Change. Over here I have got the suggestions. I'll select east from here, change, south, change, east, change and I got an alert. Spell check complete, you are good to go. I'll do OK and all the errors got rectified. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got blank rows and in my data I want to remove the blank rows. So my shortcut will be F5 or function F5. Over here we will use two shortcuts. First will be F5 or function F5 and second will be Ctrl minus. So I'll click inside my data, will press Ctrl A and the whole data will be selected. Now I'll press function F5. A small box will pop up. Over here we get the option of special. I'll click on special. We have got lots of options over here. I'll click on blanks and we'll do OK. So all the blanks got selected. Now I'll press Ctrl minus. I got the option of delete, shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. So I want to delete entire row. So I'll select entire row and will do OK. So all the blanks got deleted. Serial numbers got unorganized. So I'll double click over here and will rectify the error over here now. Fill series. Let's see another shortcut. Find and replace. For find and replace we have got two shortcuts, Ctrl H and Shift plus Ctrl plus F. In name I have got Monk for all the employees, but in some employees I have got Sent. So I want to remove Sent and put Monk in the end of all the employees. I'll select names from top to bottom and will press Shift Ctrl F. Find what? So I want to find Sent. On the top I can see two options, find and second one is replace. Now I'll click on replace. So replace with Monk and I'll select replace all. Alert, all finished. We made 6 replacements. I'll do OK and we'll close this. Let me undo this. Ctrl Z or Command Z. Now we will use Control H. I'll leave it selected and we'll press Control H. And over here we will have to put the same thing. Find what and replace what. And we'll click on Replace All. Okay. We'll close this. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got full name, but I want to divide the name in initials, first name and surname. So over here in the name, the initial is Doctor. So I'll type Doctor, Dr. Dot. I'll come over here in the first name is Barry. So I'll type Barry. Enter. Now I want surname. So instead of typing, I'll copy this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. Enter. Now I'll click just under Doctor and we'll press Control E. All the initials got filled. I'll click under first name, we'll press Control E. So I got all the first names, and his surname also I'll do the same thing. I'll press Control E. In case you have got initials, first name and surname and you want to join all the names, you will have to do the same thing. I'll show you how it works. Insert. Over here I'll type Doctor. First name is Barry. Enter. And surname we had copied last time, so I'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. I'll hit Enter. I'll manage the column size. Now I'll press Control E and I got full name from initials, first name and surname. Let's see another shortcut. Select current row. Suppose that we are working on any vast data and my cursor is over here and I want to select the whole row. So my shortcut will be Shift Space and whole row will be selected. Let's see another shortcut. Current date and time. This is my visitors logbook and over here I want to insert current time. So my shortcut will be Shift Control semicolon and I got current time 23:27. Now I want today's date. So I'll press Shift Control semicolon and I got today's date. Whenever you are inserting date or time, please ensure that date format and time format are there. In case there is no time format, just press Ctrl 1 and you will be diverted to format cells. In case you are using Windows, you will have to press Shift Control semicolon, and in case you are using MacBook, your command will be Shift Command and semicolon. Let's see another shortcut. Format cells. I have to put date over here. I'll take a random date 1/1/24. Enter. I'll drag this down. I got all the dates, but I don't want this format of date. So I'll press Ctrl 1 and a window will open of format cells. Over here we have got lots of options. We will have to go in number and in the center we get the option of date. From here we can select the desired format. I'll click on drop down and we'll go to English United States. And from here I'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. And my date format got changed. Let's see another shortcut. Format numbers. Over here I have got date, but date is in general or number format. Only reason I'm not able to see the dates. So I'll select from top to bottom and we'll press Shift Ctrl 3 and the date format got changed. You can also press Ctrl 1, can go to format cells, can select date from here, click on desired date format and do OK. So you can use either of the shortcut. Let's see another shortcut. Hide rows and columns. To hide rows, shortcut will be Ctrl 9. I'll select few rows and we'll press Ctrl 9 and the rows got hidden. Now we will hide our columns. I'll select few columns and we'll press Ctrl 0 and the columns got hidden. In case you are using Windows, to unhide the rows, you will have to press Shift Ctrl 9 and in case you are using MacBook, your shortcut will be Ctrl Shift bracket open. Let's unhide our rows. Over here our rows are hidden. So I have selected 2 rows. Now I'll press Shift Ctrl 9 and the rows got unhidden. Now I'll unhide my columns. We'll select this and we'll press Shift Ctrl 0. For MacBook users, the shortcut will be Ctrl plus Shift plus bracket close. And the columns got unhidden. Let's see another shortcut. Insert or remove filters. I think we had already seen how to insert filters. So we will select our data and we'll press Shift Ctrl L. Filters got inserted. To remove the filters, shortcut will be same. Shift Ctrl L. In case you want to insert filters through table, you can press Ctrl T. A window will pop up. My table has headers, just do OK. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got a sales data and in my sales as well as sales target, I want to insert $sign. So I'll select sales as well as sales target from top to bottom. We'll press Shift Ctrl $. Rupee sign got inserted. Now we will press Ctrl 1. Format cell dialog box will open. We will go to currency. We will come to right hand side and we'll click on drop down. And from here we will select $sign and we'll do OK. So before each amount dollar got inserted. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got sales and sales target. And this is my lowest sales. And I want to insert comments. So my shortcut will be Shift F2 or Shift plus function F2. So I'll press Shift function F2. Comment box got inserted. I can type any comment over here. Lowest sale. Now I'll click outside the comment box and it got vanished. But we can see red color in the corner. Let's see another shortcut. Paste special dialog box. Over here I have got total sales. But in my total sales I have got formulas. But in the next column I want total sales without formulas. So I'll select from top to bottom. Means I'll select total sales with formulas from top to bottom. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C. Now I'll click over here in total sales. We'll press Ctrl Alt V. Paste special dialog box will open. I'll select values from here and we'll do OK. So I got total sales without formulas over here. I'll press escape. Let's see another shortcut. Paste last command. So paste last command means, suppose that I'll make the first name as bold. I'll press Ctrl B. Now I want to make fifth name as bold. So I'll click on the fifth name and we'll press function F4 or F4. And the fifth name also got bold. I'll click on second name and we'll change the color, red. Now I'll select all these names and we'll press function F4. And all the names got highlighted in red. So F4 just repeats our last command. Let's see another shortcut. Reach to a specific cell. So what's the meaning of reach to a specific cell? Over here I have got drop downs and over here I have got formulas. So in my whole format, I want to check where I have got conditional formatting, where I have got data validation and where I have got formulas. So I'll click in my data, we'll press Ctrl A and the whole data will be selected. Now I'll press F5 or function F5. A small box will pop up, go to. Over here we get the option of special. I'll click on special and we get many options. If I'll select data validation and we'll do OK, the specific column will be highlighted where data validation is sitting. Now let's see where we have got formulas in our format. I'll press function F5 or F5, we'll click on special and from here I'll select formulas. We'll do OK. Alert, no cells were found. So basically we will have to select the whole data. I'll press Ctrl A. Now I'll press function F5 or F5. We'll go to special and we'll click on formulas. OK. So these are the two columns where formulas are sitting. Let's see another shortcut. Strike through. In employee status we can see few employees have resigned and few got transferred. And I want to strike through all the data of employees who already resigned or who got transferred. So I'll select the data of employee who has resigned and will press Ctrl 5. And the whole data of a specific employee got strike through. We will have to do the same thing with rest of the employees who has resigned or got transferred. Ctrl 5 and over here also I'll select both the employees and will press Ctrl 5. In case you want to change the color of these things, means the employees who have resigned and got transferred, you will have to use conditional formatting. Let me show you. I'll undo this, Ctrl Z or Command Z. We'll select the whole data. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here I'll select Classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of Classic. You will be diverted to next step and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. I'll take this to left and the formula will be plus or equal to. I'll click under employee status. We'll remove dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma resigned. Double inverted comma close. We'll click on the drop down customized format and over here we get the option of strike through. We will tick this. We'll go to fill. We will leave this as no color. We'll go to font and from here we will select red color and we'll do OK. Now if I'll do OK, only the employees who have resigned will get the strike through. So let's cover transferred also. Let's take this in bracket plus bracket open. We'll click just under employee status. We'll remove dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma transferred. Double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will do OK. So we can see the strike through in resigned employees but not in transferred. Let's go to conditional formatting once again, manage rules. I'll click over here, edit rule, and over here I had written wrong spelling of transferred. Now I'll do OK. OK. Now resigned as well as transferred employees got the strike through in red. Let's see another shortcut. Insert emoji or emoticons. The shortcut for Windows users will be different and the shortcut for MacBook users will be different. Over here I have got customer rating and I want to put stars as well as satisfaction smiley, means smiley. I have inserted the formula over here in both the places. I'll remove the formula and will show you how it works. I have deleted the formula. Now I'll insert my formula plus or equal to, repeat, REPT. I'll select this and bracket will open, text. I'll put double inverted comma. Now I'll insert emoji or emoticon. So we'll use my shortcut, window key and semicolon. So smiley window got opened. I'll click on search and we'll type star. We'll select this one. We'll double click over here. We'll close this. Star got inserted. I'll delete one star. We'll put double inverted comma, comma, number times. So I'll select customer ratings. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. For first customer rating, I got 5 stars. I'll drag this down. Now let's insert smiley over here. Formula will be plus or equal to, repeat, bracket open, text, double inverted comma. I'll press my shortcut, Control Command Space, and from here I'll select a desired smiley. We'll close this, double inverted comma close, comma, I'll click on customer rating. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So I got smiley icons over here. To insert the smiley icon, it's not necessary to use the formula. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got many things like my data in Excel, a photograph or a picture, a bar chart and a shape, and I want to create the copies. So to create the copies, we will use control and drag, means we will press control and we'll drag the data. Let's select this. I'll press control and we'll come to corner or edge. When I'll come to edge, a palm sign got visible. Now I'll drag this down. We'll keep on pressing control key and we'll release my mouse. I got many options over here. Move here, copy here and so on. So I just want a copy. So I'll click on copy here and a copy got created. Now I'll create a copy for my picture or image. I'll press control and we'll drag this down. Copy of image got created. I can place wherever I want. Now I'll create copy of my shape. We'll press control, we'll drag it. Copy got created. Let's create copy for our bar chart also. Press control and drag this down. So copy of all the things got created. Let's see another shortcut. Hide object. So my data is in Excel and rest of the things are either pictures, bar chart or shape. And I want to hide the objects. Means I just want my Excel data over here. So I'll press shortcut and that is Control 6. So all the things got hidden. Only my Excel data is present. Now to get all the things back, you'll have to press Control 6 once again and all the things will be back. Let's see another example. Create hyperlink. Over here I have got nearly 15 to 16 buttons and I want to create hyperlink. I'll click on first button. We'll press Control K. In case you are using MacBook, you'll have to press Command K. Box of insert link will open. Over here we get 3 options. Web page or file, this document and email address. I'll click on this document. And we got name of all the sheets which are present in my Excel file. I'll click on autofill and we'll do OK. Now I'll rename this as autofill. I'll create one more hyperlink. We'll click on 2. We'll press Control K or Command K. I'll click on first sheet's name. We'll come down and we'll select hide object sheet and we'll do OK. So my links got created. I'll rename this hide objects. Now I'll click on autofill and we are in the sheet of autofill. We'll go back to same sheet. Now I'll click on hide objects and we are in the sheet of hide objects. Let's see another shortcut. Translator. Over here I have got some data in English and I want to convert this in Arabic and Hindi. I'll click on my English data and we'll press Shift Alt F7 or Shift Alt Function F7 and my translator got opened. It automatically detected my data or my text, English, and over here we can see German. I'll click on the drop down and we'll select Arabic. We'll press A and from here I'll select Arabic. Now I'll copy this, Control C or Command C. We'll click over here. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste Control V or Command V. We'll hit enter. So this is my Arabic text. I'll come to right hand side once again. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select Hindi. We'll press H. We'll come down and we'll select Hindi from here. The whole text got changed or translated in Hindi. I'll select this, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click in Hindi, we'll go to formula bar and we'll paste it, Ctrl V or Command V, and we'll hit enter. So my English data got converted easily in Arabic as well as Hindi. We'll close this. So we have already covered our 15 shortcuts. Let's see bonus point. And over here we will see a shortcut. And the shortcut will be for move down in same cell without increasing column size. This is my cell. I have to insert the same data over here, but I can't increase the column size. Let's see what will be the shortcut. I'll type move down in. Now I'll press Alt and I'll hit enter. And my cursor just came down my text. I'll type same cell, Alt enter without, Alt enter increasing, Alt enter column size, enter. And I adjusted whole text without increasing column size. So these are 25 Excel shortcuts which you can use in your formats. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.